So today is Vlogmas #1, y'all. I always start my vlogs late. It's like dark as fuck outside. I don't know, but I got this stuff on my face, like Nish's papaya soap and smart remover. When I be breaking out, y'all. So when I break out, it leave marks, and I hate that. I hate that. It's about to be 5 o'clock. So I'm about to get in a shower, and then I'm gonna start my day late as hell. I had a hangover last night, y'all. My head was hurting, like, man, it was crazy. Let me know if y'all want me to start taking y'all out when I start going out. Y'all, wow. But I'm about to get in the shower, and I definitely will meet y'all when I get done getting dressed.
What do her swallow gum?
Not that I know of. No, don't give her gum. Can I get some though?
Yeah.
She can have a little bit.
Break off a piece.
I heard y'all. I ain't got no makeup on. So we headed to Gizmos, I think. We're not gonna go bowling, but we headed to Gizmos. I'm still trying to find out like what I'm gonna do all December. It's kind of weird vlogging a little bit now. I ain't even got my stick.
You know what?
I haven't vlogged in a long time, but it's Katie's birthday.
Hi.
Turn Katie.
6.
So he turned 6, y'all. So this vlog was day 1, and I'm so ready to vlog every day, but I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. I know definitely I gotta do a Vlogmas intro. It's dark as hell now, so
Can I plan something out?
yeah.
Bigger bag.
Miko just dropped his album on title.
No, where bigger?
Really? You wanna listen to it?
Bigger.
Oh,
You know,
Bigger.
cause all that cause we did the music video last weekend.
did y'all upload it?
Nah, I think the
Who was sitting in my seat?
the director, nobody else.
My foot stop.
I moved your seat up.
Stop playing with me. Why my seat was back like that?
I moved your seat up.
Y'all, he got me fucked up. I'm just playing. Man, Christmas coming up, but it's for the kids, y'all. It's for the kids. We're not kids anymore, so
That shit for
it's
me.
like huh?
Christmas for me. I'm about to have a great Christmas.
So what you about to get?
This year?
I know 2020. I definitely got to get up and be more active. That's just #1 on my list. Like, I really have to get into it. Like, I've been falling off, y'all, and it's crazy. I need to not fall off. I need to get back to my my vlogs and my YouTube. This is my job. I need to get back to it. Like, for real. I mean, I'll focus. But everything play a part though. So I gotta do a Vlogmas intro. When we gonna do it?
What, the intro?
Yep. So I ain't got no Vlogmas intro, y'all. So yeah, we could.
I think I only got 2 appointments. I can take them early, and then have the rest of my day free.
I'm trying to see when I'm gonna film it at, cause I don't know. It's just nothing. I'm trying to think in my head of a creative idea to do.
Crazy. What y'all doing back there?
No.
Oh, Layla.
No.
What's she trying to grab, the gum? Oh yeah, he trying to tease her with that gum. That's what he trying to do.
No.
I want to get to Gizmos. I've never been here before. I heard of it though. Mama, you ready to play? Yeah. You want to jump on the slide? asking though. You ready, KD? Yeah.
I'm ready.
You ugly as hell. You see cousin Corey? It's a game. Here. You ready? I want to play basketball. If they got one. I'm about to beat the kids. It ain't never been this tall. Right here ain't that tall. It is.
Out of all the shots.
I want to play another game. I don't know why this monkey, this game fucking broke. The thing ain't even coming up. This is my game right here. Period.
What the fuck is that? That's multiple balls. That's multiple.
Trash.
Hold on, I think the camera kind of dirty. Oh, sorry. I would use your shirt.
You lucky I wore this shirt 2 days in a row.
What?
I'm trying to kill some zombies and she wanna.
Well, so.
She wanna keep going and shit.
There she go. Come here. My ass tweaking.
great.
Stop fucking lying. Go, come on. No, you can't go in there. No, that's rock climbing. Go in here. No. You can't go rock climbing. You can't go rock climbing.
Right.
We're not getting no good pictures.
Alright.
You look like an in distress dad. That's how you look. You look like you a stressed daddy or something.
Stressed out?
Yeah.
I look like it on my face.
Are you? Are you?
Nah.
Oh.
Happy. I'm blessed.
Period. It's snowing. You have fun, KD? Huh? You have fun? Yeah. You just trying to lick the snow. I want a variety or something. I don't know.
So what we gonna go for that? For a variety of things.
I don't know. I might have some Halloween.
Chili? Chili's?
No. Ask KD.
He said you want pizza and hummus.
Okay, that's fine.
We don't hold on hollows, empty clips, and then reload it. Knew what I'm smoking is exotic, and they know it. I feel like never trust a hoe. Say she got class, why she steady shaking ass for this dough. Say she love me, but I swear I ain't never seen this bitch before.
I was just excited.
Huh.
I was just excited.
To play the song?
Yeah. Because it's like, now, little bro really did that shit.
Oh, that's him.
That's Miko. Yeah. KO.
Well, yeah, that it might still, because he might have copyright management. But anyways, y'all, the label. I had to change my outfit, y'all. Outfit was like, that was some date night type stuff. I should have had this on. I got on this pink, but yeah, we about to go to TGI Fridays. We just dropped the kids off. Oh, what you doing? No, let me.
Scary movies.
Yep. Why he rub on my cheeks? Yep. But yeah, this place closes at 11 and I have to get there, so I'm gonna meet y'all at TGI Fridays. I definitely don't even know what I want. Yeah, no.
I was just trying to see what was next. What you was about to say. We was looking at the coats that we all got and shit. We got some new ones too.
I'm out here with no coat on, like I ain't got no coat on. They closed? Are you serious?
11.
It ain't 11 yet.
Last call 30 minutes before.
Oh my god. I'm mad. I'm up here filming the building like I'm about to go eat, but they motherfucking ass closed. It ain't 30 minutes yet. 10:34. And they close at 11. Like, what the fuck? Now we gotta find somewhere else to eat. You gotta taste for, baby. Why is you laughing? What is so funny? Y'all, he has him. We tried to open that door. They tricked my ass.
Let's see where we gonna go.
It's a Sunday, so I guess.
End up having to be Wingstop for me again.
Damn, I can't do it. I can't do it.
No,
Just, oh, fuck. I swear I've been doing this to my nails all day. Like, go ahead and
Big Mac meal.
Oh, well, yeah, true. You a McDonald's kind of dude.
You want this,
Then I remember when a dude took me,
you want the rest of these
my
fries?
brother friend tried to take me on a date, and he took me to he took me to McDonald's. Like, what the fuck is that?
Yeah, that's crazy.
I don't want nothing off the dollar menu.
Damn.
For real, like, what? Me?
You're so ungrateful.
I'm not ungrateful, but shoot, it's supposed to be a date. Don't take me to my McDonald's. I get that myself.
Man, was it the one with the playground?
You high as hell. Playground.
If they had a playground, that's double the points.
No winner, cause I ain't no kid. I don't want to play. I want to play with you though.
Well, let's do it.
Come on, baby. You gonna call it in?
Oh shit.
Damn. Today, man, yo. If y'all want me to start vlogging, my outings, let me know, cause I definitely will vlog. But my friend came with me and we got drunk and high. I told myself I wasn't gonna get high, but when I got drunk, it was hitting me. I had like, it's Patron, it's a gold kind. She had gave me like 3, and it was like shots though. So, you hungry?
Yeah.
Y'all heard that? Another food was like, man, it was like getting to me. And then when I'm high, I always laugh. When I'm not high, I laugh still, but it's like to the point where like, man, it be so funny when I'm high. It be crazy. I be cracking up. I remember I was high on Thanksgiving, man. I smoked with my family and them. The car, I feel like I was suffocating that bitch. The whole car was smoky. Everybody was in the passing it, and then it was just like real. It was fucking, man, like let me out this bitch, cause this motherfucker hot as hell. I was ready to get up out of there. I was about to say open the door, but I didn't want to mess with the rotation. I feel like I was about to suffocate that bitch. Oh, and then I came home. I think he went outside to smoke with my cousin again. I think he was smoking again. Like, dang, I just can't see how you smoke so much. Like, I just can't see how you smoke it's so many blunts. Like, you be... I was fried. No, when you fried and then you smoke another one, like, man, you should be out of fucking space by then, because the motherfuckers should see cloud 9, because I can't do it. I can only smoke one time and I'm out of it. Like, it don't even take me that much to smoke. If I take 3 puffs, bitch, I'm out of it, because I don't smoke like that. So, it's crazy. I'm checking with y'all when we get this food, because we about to smash it right on camera. Like my battery about to die anyway, so... We are Sherville. You play too much. Damn, babe started without me. Like, damn, the fuck. That look good. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to end this vlog right here. This was Vlogmas day 1. Today was fun. So I have 24 more days to go to Christmas, y'all. I'm kind of excited because I never did Vlogmas before, so this is my first year to do Vlogmas, and I'm so ready. I'm ready for my intro though, so stay tuned for that. Day 2, I don't know what day 2 will bring, but I'm definitely ready for Vlogmas. So until then, I'll see you on day 2, y'all.